Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to share your screen with Gemini. Okay, in order to be able to share your screen, for now let me actually tell you which platforms support it. So the first one of course is iOS or Android, so these are the mobile platforms. And on them, if you wish to share, you just long press your power button or say hey Google to bring up the Gemini overlay, and then tap the waveform icon to enter the Gemini Live. And after that, you will see this kind of interface with a prompt. It will ask you if you're ready. Just say ready. And now, as you can see, this is what it will look like. As you can see, it's going to be like a call interface. It will show you how much you're doing it for. And you can, as you can see, hang up or share the screen right here. And also, it's supported on Mac OS. If you are on Mac, you can use the AI Studio for the best performance. So you go to aistudio.google.com, all right, to this address. And then you can just click the live button in the prompt box and look for the share screen toggle. Also choose the share specific window if you wish, rather than your entire desktop for privacy. And also you can also share your system audio sharing, just like in Discord, if you want Gemini to hear a video or a meeting you're participating in. Hit confirm and the AI will be live in your workspace. So that's it pretty much for this video, guys. Enjoy your screen sharing and see you in the next one.